This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start on the color page, open the tracker panel and select the node with the effect or grade you want to follow. Draw a power window around the subject so the tracker has focused detail. Once done, pick a tracking mode, point for small details, cloud for texture, planar for surfaces. Make sure the correct frame range is set and the playhead sits on a clean reference frame. You're initiating tracking now, so be deliberate about the selection and reference frame choice. You run the tracker with frame forward or backward. Monitor the tracker markers closely as it analyzes motion. If the subject moves unpredictably, enable adaptive search or increase the search size so the tracker finds the right features. Once the pass finishes, scrub the clip and examine keyframes for drift. Correct errors by moving keyframes or adding manual keys. Make sure to toggle the window visibility and compare before. You now apply the track data to either the active node or a dedicated null so other nodes can inherit the motion. Once applied, bake the keyframes or use smoothing to remove jitter. For tough motion, add temporal blur or enable optical flow. If you see slipping or lost tracks, stop and set a new reference frame near the problem or insert manual keys for the section. This usually fixes persistent errors. Remember, small manual corrections are faster than retracking the entire clip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.